Today, industry and society face some common problem. There is still a huge gap between demand and supply in the recombinant protein production, and therefore majority of our need being fulfilled through imported materials. In continuation with a presently made problem statement, we are focusing on the need of production of recombinant human serum albumin protein, which is a highly demanding protein for its use in the biotechnology research as well as in the healthcare industry. There are complexities and we are working on them to solve the issues. Hello, here is Dr. Tapan Chaudhuri, professor in the Kusuma School of Biological Sciences at IIT Delhi with a PhD in biochemistry and protein folding. My research in the field of protein folding and molecular chaperone and protein engineering has given me the research outcome as a production of commercially important recombinant biosimilar protein products to cater the need of pharmaceutical industry as well as biotechnology research in India. At IIT Delhi in the biological sciences, we focus on addressing the efficient methods for production and characterization of recombinant therapeutics and biosimilar proteins. Considering its enormous demand in the Indian recombinant protein market, we are focusing our R&D efforts for making large-scale and commercially viable production of recombinant human serum albumin using E.coli expression system, which promises for cost-effective solution to the large-scale preparation of highly purified version of a perfect biosimilar of human serum albumin protein. Our research sits at the intersection of structure function characterization, folding, functionalization of essential protein molecules and developing efficient and cost-effective methodology of production in the commercially viable ways. This is beyond theory as it directly impacts production capability of biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries associated with the production of recombinant therapeutics as well as biosimilar protein products in India. The aim is to produce high amount of recombinant human serum albumin protein in E.coli expression system for the use in Indian biotechnology research and also in the pharmaceutical industry. We have achieved the technology to produce recombinant human serum albumin protein in E.coli fermentation system, which is functionally relevant biosimilar, suitable for use in biotechnology research as well as adjuvant in pharmaceutical industry and supposed to be cost effective. We also engaged with industry and government institutional partners like BIRAC, Government of India, pharmaceutical companies like Panacea Biotech and Them Biosciences to facilitate the efforts to validate the scaling up of the recombinant human serum albumin production, and we have got US patent for this technology to produce large-scale recombinant human serum albumin production in E.coli fermentation system. If you are looking to engage in production of recombinant biosimilars, recombinant biotherapeutics or nutritional supplement protein in E.coli fermentation system, we would be delighted to explore collaboration opportunities with you. Thank you very much.